You know that feeling, right, that buzz, when a new Valorant patch drops, bringing fresh content, maybe a new agent, or just some sweet balance changes you've been craving. You rush to update, heart pounding with excitement to dip back into competitive, only to be met with those three soul-crushing words: catch, download. Failed, oh, it's the absolute worst, isn't it? One minute you're dreaming of clutch plays, the next you're staring at an error message, feeling completely locked out, while your friends are already racking up wins. Don't let that frustration get the better of you, because you're definitely not alone in this digital purgatory. We've all been there, and luckily, getting back into the fight is often simpler than you think. In this Baidu, we're going to tackle those pesky download failures head-on, giving you straightforward, easy-to-follow steps to get your Valorant patch downloaded and get you back in the game fast. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. Seriously, if your Valorant patch is stuck, the very first thing you should try is completely restarting the Riot client, and if that doesn't work, a full reboot. This can clear up temporary glitches, refresh network connections, and often resolve minor software conflicts that are blocking your download. Don't underestimate the power of a fresh start. Next up, let's make sure your internet isn't playing hide and seek. Double-check your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection and temporarily disable any pins or firewalls that might be blocking Riot servers. A quick power cycle of your router can help too, when critically try running the Riot client in Valorant as an administrator. Sometimes it just needs those extra permissions to download properly. All right. If the basics didn't cut it, let's get a bit more technical with your network settings. Changing your DIN servers to Google's and or Cloudflare's both can often resolve connection issues specific to Riot's update servers. While you're at it, quickly check Riot's official server status page. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end at all, and their servers might just be experiencing temporary hiccups. If you've tried everything above and you're still stuck, it might be time for a more drastic measure. First, try the repair option within the Riot client. If available, as it can fix corrupted files without a full reinstall. If that fails, a complete uninstall and fresh reinstall of Valorant is your best bet. It ensures you get brand new uncorrupted files and often fixes deep-seated issues. It's a bit of a way, but totally worth it to get back into the game.